Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to share a Google Colab notebook on GitHub. This is incredibly useful if you're working on data science projects or collaborative coding and want to version control your work or share it with your team directly through GitHub. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to colab.research.google.com. This will take you to the Google Colab homepage where you can access all your existing notebooks or create new ones. Once you're on the page, locate and open the specific notebook you want to share on GitHub. Make sure it's the correct file, as you'll be uploading this directly to your repository. Now that your notebook is open, look towards the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see the main menu options. Click on File to reveal a drop-down menu with various saving and sharing options. From this menu, select Save a Copy in GitHub. This action is the key step that connects your Colab notebook directly to your GitHub account and allows for seamless integration between the two platforms. At this point, if you've already authorized Google Colab to access your GitHub account, the process will continue smoothly. However, if this is your first time linking the two services, a GitHub authorization page will appear. You'll need to click Authorize Google Colab to grant the necessary permissions. This authorization is a one-time setup that allows Colab to push files directly to your GitHub repositories securely. Once authorization is complete, a dialog box will appear with a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down to view all your available GitHub repositories. Browse through the list and select the repository name where you want to save your notebook. This is important because choosing the right repository ensures your file is organized correctly within your GitHub account structure. After making your selection, click OK to confirm. Google Colab will now save a copy of your notebook to the chosen repository. To verify that everything worked correctly, open a new tab in your browser and go to github.com. Log in using your credentials if you're not already signed in. Once you're on your GitHub homepage, navigate to the left panel where you'll find a list of your repositories. Locate and click on the repository you selected earlier to view its contents. Inside the repository, you should now see your uploaded notebook file listed among the other files. Click on the notebook file to view it directly on GitHub. GitHub has built-in support for Jupyter notebooks, so you'll be able to see the full content, including code cells, markdown text, and any outputs. And there you have it, you've successfully shared your Google Colab notebook on GitHub, making it easy to collaborate, track changes, and maintain version control. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.